Good evening guys, this is Devon Bus and Very Channel UK here, and tonight I'm presenting you to my Oxford Diecast Merseyside Foreign Rescue Service Cancer Inc. running charity livery pink. This is quite a rare model to get. Everybody's online sold out, can't get anywhere. But I was lucky to get it in crisscross model rows a couple of months ago. Last one for £15.25. So now I take it out so you guys can have a look. It's a lovely model, I do like it. Been off it for a while now. Managed to get it when I needed it. I won't come out the box now. I'll just leave it like that. Yeah, it's nice and highly detailed. The fleet number is 1352. Actually, DK37 FBG. As you can see, it's in the Cancer Org UK livery. Take the side of it. See, nice detailed 1352 fleet number. It says on the side, cancer does not discriminate. We need to talk about cancer to be clear of cancer. It's an action of cancer livery, so it's a lovely model, highly detailed, quite rare. You see, it says the same on that side. Fleet number. Yeah, it's quite a lovely model to have. It's not many of them around, not so many made. Yeah, it's quite a nice model. As I say, can't get it anywhere now. They'll be sold out. Yeah. Thought to do a review on it. See if I have it again. The Scania P370 Highline, I think. Yeah, it's quite a nice model. Do like it. So yeah, it's quite a hard one to get nowadays, like I said. But probably the only way is to get it on eBay, I think. But don't know what's on there. But yeah, it's quite nice to have a. I picked them all up yesterday. Dublin Fire Service, Dennis. It's quite hard to get as well. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. More videos come soon. Thank you. Bye bye.